Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this text intro that you see on the screen right now. Go to Media Pool, right click, New Fusion Comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to. And go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. Get a text node. And go to one viewer. Put the text you're liking in. Pick your font, set your tracking and all that now. I'm going to use American Purpose Casual 01. I think I brought that in here. You may not have that. It doesn't really matter. Put the playhead on frame 0. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Trust me, it annoys me more than it will you. Right click in the text box, follower, then go to the modifier, and then shading. Come down to the offset, and if you notice, you try to move the X or the Y, it won't. But once you set a keyframe, it'll make this path. Just double click on the follower again, and you'll be back where you were. Take the Y, take your text down below the screen. I recommend open your viewer all the way when you do this. That way you know you're below the screen itself. I'm on a 30 FPS. You may have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to advance 20 frames. And set the Y back to 0.0. Go to timing, order, random but 1 by 1. And set the delay to 2.0. Scrub your playhead to your last character is all the way up. And then advance it to the nearest even number. Mine will be frame 50. And go back to shading. Set a keyframe on the offset. Advance 1 second. Set a keyframe on the offset. And then advance 20 more frames. And then bring the Y down. Again, you're going to want to open your viewer all the way. Take the Y down to your first character. Looks like it's touching the bottom of the screen. And then open size. Set a keyframe on the Y. Advance 10 frames. And set your Y to whatever squash you want on the character. I'm going to go half, 0.5. Then advance 10 more frames. And hit the dot and set it back to the default settings at 1.0. Open your spline. You want to select size Y only. And select all. And set relative. That'll allow the text to keep bouncing up and down. We can do one more thing. Take your playhead back to frame 0. Make sure you're still in the modifier. Take the opacity all the way down. Set a keyframe. Take your playhead to frame 20, the first keyframe we made. And turn the opacity all the way up. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.